Alright, welcome to the channel. I'm Viper. Today, I want to talk to you about this app called Asobi. It's a remote app that allows you to remote play your PlayStation 4 or 5 inside your Apple Vision Pro. Let's get to it. Let's go. Right here, I just want to click it. Just that quick, it brings up the first menu of the last thing I played. It got a wake button right here, so you can wake up your PlayStation 4 or 5. Before we go in there, I want to dive into some of the settings right here. Auto connect after wake, that's what I got checked. And then we can go into this settings right here. So you can get controller haptics. Let's turn that on. You got all the way up to 1080 right here. But the cool thing is you get 60 frames per second instead of 30 frames per second. HDR, that is important when you're playing certain games. You can have a normal, native, no upscaling, and you can go all the way up to 4 times super resolution, which is great. Sharpening, you could turn that on if you want. I've been playing this and I had no need to turn it on, so I'm gonna leave it off. Latency mode is on normal right now, but you can also turn that to like ultra low or competition, which is pretty good. I'm gonna keep it at normal because I didn't have any problems with it. So you can hit done. Right now, let's wake it up. Click that. I just heard my PS5 turn on. Let's go. And right now, we have this massive TV in front of me. When I say massive, I mean massive. Right now, you can see my PlayStation controller right in front of me. So the good thing about it, you get to see your PlayStation controller when you're actually playing the game, which is great. I have this massive screen in front of me. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna try to keep it still. So I am right now in White Sands. I like playing in environments. And you see how big that screen is right there. Then back over to White Sands. I just like being in environments when I play games. But this TV is super huge. You can control. Y'all see that? No lag. It's just crazy. You know, you can play your game. Right now, if I want to hit on to the game right here, hit Galaga, resume game, start it up. And just like that, I'm playing my PS5. And I could be anywhere in this house playing it. There you go. I could be anywhere in. I get intense when I play Galaga. I could be anywhere in my house and I'm playing this game right here, which is great. I mean, you could be in the living room, be in the backyard. You could be anywhere. So, got you. It got me. So, this is fantastic when you already got your Apple Vision Pro on. Maybe you're working, maybe you're watching some movies or whatever the case may be. And you can just turn this on and game. There you go. Let me get this last one. There you go. I just wanted to show you that, which is pretty dope. And let me show you something else. How they got it developed is it does not take over your environment. This is just one window inside your environment. So I could pull up my Apple Music, and then over here, I can have my Apple TV. And then in the middle, I have my game, which I can play my game. Then I'm over here, and I can have my music playing. And also, I can bring up my Mac virtual display at the same time. You can have all of this going on and it doesn't take over your screen. That is great. This screen look amazing. Just saying. If you really want to test out latency and all that stuff, then put a racing game on. It really shows you how true you can do it because you got to be in tune. And that looks so good. I mean, I don't know how many people ever played on a projector. This is what I'm playing on right now. A projector in front of me. But this projector happened to be a 4K virtual screen inside my Apple Vision Pro. Come on, let's go. I'm usually playing with my steering wheel, not the controller when it comes to racing games, because I can't get this joystick thing when you're playing a racing game with a joystick. This looks so good, and then on top of it, if I really wanted to, I can have some iTunes playing in the background. I won't do it because of rights and YouTube and all that. But I can have that playing, and look, you can see that it's no stutter. I got all these cars in front of me. I got things flying in the air. I got particles going everywhere, dust. It's as smooth as a fan. The frame rate is great. And the latency is good. I can't get past this car. Got past that car. I just want to let y'all know that it is so, it's so, oh, wait a minute, this turn. I know. This turn, that turn was hard. So look at that colors that's inside here. It's nice, it's super, it's clear, it's bright, and it works. If you love to play your PS5 or PS4 and you have the Apple Vision Pro, this is a no-brainer. I believe this app is only $10, which is crazy. And I try other apps. I'm telling you, I try other apps that don't give this level of detail and quality when it comes to playing your PlayStation 5. Look at that. Just look at the detail in this game.
Right this way, Kratos.
You see how big this screen is? And Kratos is huge in this screen. I just want to put on this game to show you the colors and the level of detail that's in this game. So Asobi, this app right here is truly great for the Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro is more than just watching movies. It's more than just productivity. It's becoming a really good gaming headset. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.